Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a protein treatment, which I did. I'm doing the avocado protein treatment, which has 2 avocados, an egg, and then like 3 different oils. I put like the wild growth oil in there, the castor oil, and sweet almond oil. And I will post that video of me making this before I post this video. So if you didn't see me make this, the link will be up here. So let's get started. I have freshly washed hair. It is still damp. I literally just washed it, so it is still kind of wet. Let me grab myself a towel. Okay. So I won't have a mess all on my shirt. And we're gonna go ahead and get started and start applying this to my hair. So we're gonna bring this camera up just a tad. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start applying. And I know this probably will be a little messy, so we are ready for that. Okay, so I don't even know how many twists in my hair, but it's quite a bit. The noise y'all are hearing in the background is my washing machine. It's wash day, which all around wash day, which was my hair and clothes. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and start applying. Got that much. We're gonna apply it on the whole piece of hair. I'm sorry, I keep looking into the mirror. I'll probably detangle a little bit too while I'm putting this in there, because I did not detangle in the shower like I normally do. I actually washed my hair with the twist still in there, so I did not take my twist down to detangle my hair. I'm going to grab a little bit more. I tried to do it so it was no chunks, but as you can see, there's still a few chunks. Hopefully I will be able to get those out of my hair with no issue. This is my first time doing this, so we will see how this works out for my hair. Okay, I'm going to twist this one back up and go ahead to the next one. I'm trying to make sure it's on my ends, which I will have another video after this one with me clipping my ends, because they need to be clipped. I haven't clipped them in a while, I think since the beginning of last year, so it's time for me to do it again. So we'll be doing that in the next video. But I'm gonna do it the same way throughout my whole head. I'm gonna go back and apply it to my scalp a little bit also, because I hear this still is good for your scalp. I need to apply more at the root because I can see that there's not much there. And I knew I needed some type of treatment because my hair started feeling kind of weird, kind of dry and weird. So we're gonna track this on out. See those curls though. Okay, y'all, it's on all of my hair now. I applied all of it. I didn't want to waste mine, so I basically emptied it out. I had a few chunks in there, so that's a chunk. I said forget that, not messing with that. Not trying to have no chunks in my hair. So basically it's all over my head. So now I'm gonna put my plastic cap on. I'm gonna put a couple of these on. Okay, this is 3 of them right here. So I'm gonna have 4 of these on. I have a deep conditioning cap, but I can't remember where I put it at, so not using that. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep these caps on my head for about 3 hours, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. And once I rinse it out, I will be back to show y'all the results. Y'all in a few minutes. See y'all in a few, but it'll be 3 hours later for me. Alright, bye. Okay, I'm back, y'all. It's a day later. I took it out last night, so, but my hair is still wet. I took it out last night. It was late last night, so I did not come back on camera to show y'all what it looked like. And my hair is still wet because I left it in the bag because I needed to do my leave-in and all that stuff. So, but it's nice and shiny. I like how it actually made my hair shiny. Let me see. My hair feels softer than it was. It feels nice. I kind of like how it turned out. Ooh, it's real shiny up there. That's why I rubbed it in a lot up in here and back here. I don't know what back there looked like. What did it look like, y'all? It was fairly easy to get out. As you can see, you can probably see a couple of crumbs still left in my hair. You can see some on this one right there. There's like a couple of pieces of the avocado still left in my hair, but as I brush and comb my hair later, it should come out, I'm hoping. But it was fairly easy to come out, besides the little chunks that I had left in my hair. So that was a plus for me, because I tried the clay mask before and that was the hardest thing ever to come out. But I'm about to put this back on my hair because it's leaking on my shirt. But that is pretty much it for this video. I basically just wanted to show y'all the avocado protein treatment, and I'll probably come back in a couple of days in my next video and tell y'all how my hair actually feels a few days later. I plan to, one of my next videos will be me clipping my ends, so stay tuned for that. I probably do, I don't know, I just have a couple of videos planned already, so we shall see what I do next. Alright, y'all, see y'all in the next video. Oh, yes, I wore this to work, right with the beanie on it. Anyways, alright, bye y'all. See y'all in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.